National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 720, effective until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Franklin, Jackson, Lincoln, Morehouse, Ouachita, Richland, Union, West Carroll, and Wynne. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 720 has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Franklin, Jackson, Lincoln, Morehouse, Ouachita, Richland, Union, West Carroll, and Wynne. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grant Parish, south central Wynne Parish, southeastern Natchitoches Parish, and northwestern Louisiana until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:16 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Montgomery, or 16 miles southeast of Natchitoches, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montgomery, Atlanta, Aloha, Chopin, Clouterville, Melrose, Lake Ayotte, and Gorham. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for portions of north central and northwest Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Grant, Natchitoches, and Wynne.